Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we're going to be looking at how to pair the Sony WI-SP510 wireless Bluetooth headset to your smartphone. So now let's keep the box aside and get our smartphone in. The first thing you need to do is power on the headset. So to do that, you need to press the middle multifunction button here. Press and hold the middle multifunction button until you hear a beeping. You can see that it's glowing blue right now, which means it's been turned on. Now it should have entered pairing mode. So let's turn on our phone and go to the Bluetooth setting menu. We've already turned on Bluetooth. Now let's refresh and look for available devices. And the Sony should show up in the available devices. So let's wait for that. There you go. In the available devices, you can see the Sony WI-SP510. So we're going to click on that. And now you can choose to pair it with your phone by simply pressing on pair. So let's do that. And that's about it. We click OK and the Sony WI-SP510 has been paired to our phone. It's connected. It has 70% battery, as you can see here, and it is on the SBC codec, which you can always change from the settings to AAC because this earphone does support the AAC codec. So that's how you pair the Sony WI-SP510 wireless Bluetooth earphones to your smartphone. Thank you so much for watching this video.